Well, it's true. The weather's calmed down a little bit out there. We've got some storms in some areas, but not like we had the past few days. How about this weather photo coming in from Natasha Sparks in Rio Rancho? I had to put this in there because how appropriate. The name is Sparks, and, well, the weather was kind of sparking things up there as well. Glad to see nobody in the pool that had been evacuated when this picture was taken. By the way, this picture made it to us at pics@krqe.com. You can do the same, and if you live in Rio Rancho, you're not going to see any new thunderstorms out there tonight. Same goes for the metro area and probably Santa Fe as well. Really, there's not a lot of activity here. We do have a few light showers and thunder showers kind of developing just to the east side of the Sangre de Cristo, the Central Mountain Chain. Really, most of the activity's been here to the south. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for southernmost parts of Doña Ana County. Back here in Otero County and scooting into Lincoln County, we've had a fair number of thunderstorms around here today. A couple of were severe earlier this afternoon, producing some high winds, a little bit of hail, but most of that has since ceased. We do have a developing cell just north of Las Vegas. This is probably going to drip into town, so a little thunder and lightning there. And the further north you go, we've got a little cell up to the north of Raton. We're going to be watching that one as well, but certainly not the kind of activity we had the past few days. Even a little bit of a cool down for parts of the east on the backside of a cold front. You can see that cold front draped across, see the Sacramentos. That's kind of helped fire some of the storms down there today. In general, though, high pressure is taking over, and that means high temperatures to go along with that. Statewide, 90s, low to mid upper 90s out there, and even triple digits in the days to come. There could be a few spot afternoon showers near the mountains, but otherwise pretty quiet out there. Calm night tonight in the 60s, headed for the 80s midday and into the 90s tomorrow afternoon, but that's nothing new to us. Sunport went to 92 out there so far this afternoon. That is the current reading with light breezes. It's 92 in Santa Fe as well, so a little cooling in the east, but the west is ablaze. And when you check out temperatures across the board coming up for the next 24 hours, we're going to continue to talk about the heat out there. Farmington 97 degrees for tomorrow. Espanola at 94, and it looks like the heat will set back into the east as well. Raton 90, Tucumcari 97, 97 Deming in Lordsburg, and 98 in Las Cruces. Meanwhile, down in the southeastern plains, temperatures going to be topping out in the upper 90s as well. There will be a spot shower storm in the mountains as we recycle moisture, but this is really a very dry weather pattern we're heading into. Look at the blue sky as you go over the top of the Sandia and work your way back into the Rio Grande Valley there, and that blue sky means blazing sun, and yes, some pretty blazing temperatures to go along with that. Up in Santa Fe, 92 tomorrow, nothing new, did it today. 93 Monday and Tuesday, and stay in the 90s for the better part of the week. Now, Santa Fe and Albuquerque, not only will we be warm, but notice there is kind of an uptick in rain activity next week, late next week. It's my belief that the long missing monsoon's on the way back in. Not guaranteed it'll come in, but here's hoping that the showers reform.
I'm excited for the showers.
Yeah, no kidding. It's kind of boring out there.
I know. Thanks, Jason. Now